Hey, in this video, I will show you how to make duet videos on TikTok in 2021. It's actually the same thing on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to help you out. And by the way, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm really curious to know. So what you want to do is go on TikTok and find a video that you can make a duet with. For example, this cute goat rent free. What you want to do is click on the share icon at the top right corner, the arrow that has 200,000 on it on this video. Click on it. And here on this video, you actually have a duet option basically at the middle in the bottom here. Do you see it? It popped up a little bit. So click on duet. And what will happen is on the left side, you will see your screen, but on the right side, you see the screen of the goat. So you can just record yourself while the goat is also running around. And you can make a TikTok duet just like this. I hope this video was helpful. This was the idea. And the issue is that you can't really use the duet option on any video. Some videos don't have a duet option pretty much. So you need to find videos that actually have it. And if this video helped you out, again, give me a like. I'm trying to get back to as many comments as possible. So let me know if you have any concerns, any questions in the comment section down below. See you next video. Bye.